Hello there and welcome to the MBA Trading Academy overview. My name is Michael Sloggett and I'm truly excited to be speaking with you wherever you are in the world, at whatever time it is in the world. And guys, I just firstly want to say thank you so much for taking the time. I'm truly honored that I get the ability and the opportunity to share with you what MBA Trading Academy is, and the person who invited you along is equally as excited because now you're going to see for the first time what they saw for the first time that got them truly fired up about MBA and everything that we're doing. So guys, my name is Michael Sloggett. I'm one of the lead trainers and also one of the founders of MBA, and over the next short amount of time I'm going to be speaking with you and going over everything it is that we do, what we've done, what we're going to do in the future. And for the people who are open-minded, I'm also going to share an amazing opportunity that won't only give you the ability to learn how to trade, but also build a side income so you can potentially make some money along the way. So why did we create MBA? Very simply, we wanted to help as many people as possible unplug from the life we've all been programmed to believe is acceptable. We wanted to show you that there is another way to experience life, that you can create a life of abundance. We're committed to your health, wealth, and happiness and delivering you industry-leading programs covering personal development, trading psychology, goal setting, and planning, and much more so that you have the tools and resources that ensure you to get the results that you want to achieve. We want to show you that it's possible to be profitable from trading cryptocurrency, no matter if the market is going up or down. And we really just want to train you and teach you so you can make trading a lifestyle, so you can start spending more time enjoying doing the things that you love with the people that mean the most. Now, why is MBA different? Well, we do live events. We've done live events all around Australia and throughout the world now. We do our big trading retreats, but we have such a strong focus on personal development. The founders have really been teaching cryptocurrency trading for the past 3 years, and as I said, have taught over 5,000 people on live, online, and in-person events and around the world, as well as trading retreats where we mix business with pleasure. We also show you exactly what we do with the tools needed. We build strong traders through key strategies and trader psychology. I always say, there's one thing that I can guarantee is if me and Jason are sharing something, I can almost guarantee that every single time we'll have skin in the game, which means we're not telling you what to do. We're telling you what we're doing. We're showing you how we made that decision. And then we're also going to give you the ability to analyze it and make a decision for yourself to see if you agree. Unlike other companies offering magic indicators to show you everything they need with false promises, we tell you straight up that there are no magic indicators. There is absolutely no guarantees. Anywhere we're not telling you you're going to make a certain percent. We're definitely not going to tell you that if you buy this one thing, it's going to show you how to do and it wins every time. If anything, I'm going to tell you the opposite. But the good thing is we're going to teach you how to make sure that you are able to make the right decisions all the time and make sure that even when you're wrong, you're learning the lessons you need to make sure that you get better at where it is that you went wrong. We also teach you the true power of leverage trading, to trade without the correct and to trade with correct risk management so you can take calculated risks without blowing your accounts. And our objective is to teach people how to live life on their terms. Trading can be a lifestyle if applied correctly, and we show you exactly what to do and how to do that. So how do we do that? We do our live courses. So when we do our live sessions, we do live trading sessions every week by one of our lead trainers. In those live trading sessions, we do in-depth analysis on current markets. We also search for potential trade setups for the week. This happens multiple times per week, and as we grow and as we expand, more lead coaches and more people become qualified to host these calls. It won't just be me, Jason, and Donnie and the current leadership team. There'll also be you and potentially the people that you introduce, given the same opportunity once you prove to us that you know who you are. See, MBA truly is a community with absolutely untapped, unlimited room for growth, and we're looking for people to work with in and around this space. On our live calls, I know that Jason, in the calls that he has, helped show and share for you to go and make your own analysis week on week, he has created thousands of percents of potential profit over the years since we've gotten started. We have our School of Sparta, or SOS, as the guys refer to it to. And SOS, that's really just a community of traders, and it's a place where we can shut out all the noise. There's no ads, there's no distractions, there's no videos, there's no nothing. It's really a trading floor where all of our students can link arms, have access to one another. Not only that, they also have access to hundreds of hours of trading content and personal development. But the big one here is you've got direct access to myself, Jason, the lead coaches, trainers, and also the corporate executive team. So every time you're either having troubles, challenges, or more importantly, you need a community to lean on, you have a focused group of people who are all trying to achieve the same thing, who have all done the same training to you as you, so we can all link arms and really do whatever it takes to get to where it is that we want to go. Then we have our course. Now this is our baby. This is the thing that more people have done than anything else, and this is really what set MBA up and apart from everyone else. See, we realized that what we knew and what we wanted to teach was an asset, that if we could help more people understand what we knew faster, we could single-handedly have more impact in the world, because we could set more people financially free. So what we did was we built an amazing course that will teach you everything that you need to know to become a profitable trader. And by the end of completing this course, not only will you learn the art of technical analysis, you'll also understand the importance of risk management and trader psychology. Throughout it, we break down all the technical jargon in a way that someone, with absolutely zero experience can understand exactly what it is that they're seeing. We give you unlimited access to the live online course sessions all year round, which means even if you've watched all the recordings, you can rewatch it as many times as you like, but you can also come on the live lessons where there's people doing the course for the first time and participate as many times as you like, as long as you stay active. Now, we've done this for over 5,000 students. We've trained them all around the globe. And the one thing that everyone says to us when they've done the course is, I can't believe how much was in here for how little it costs. We've had people who have done courses that cost anywhere from $10, $20, even $50,000 who have come and done our course and said, Michael, I cannot believe the value and what I learned here with you guys for the tiny amount of money that you simply ask. On top of that, you'll get unlimited access to early bird tickets to our live events. Now, this is when we bring our online course to you live and cover all aspects of trading and personal development. I believe it's one of the greatest way to learn, not only because it's a great way to learn from us as leaders and teachers and coaches, it's a phenomenal way for you to socialize and meet many, many other people and surround yourself in a truly motivating and inspiring environment full of other traders that are all just simply looking to take their trading to the next level. The good thing is you get real-time coaching and mentoring and assistance with your charts and live help where you can put your hand up, simply call one of the coaches to the desk, share what it is that you need an answer on, and you can also communicate with us live on stage and get the answers that you need to the questions that you want to ask, so you can go out there and absolutely dominate. So the last thing that I want to talk about is our retreats. And our retreats is, this is the cream of the crop. We've now done this in Boracay, Vietnam, Bali. And, the reason why we did the retreats is, trading is far more than just sitting in front of a screen all day. It's about creating a lifestyle. And we've shown our community now in beautiful places all around the world what life can look like if you decide to truly go all in here. We aim to do about 3 or 4 of these retreats every single year, guys. And, the locations and the event itself, we just keep getting bigger and bigger and better and better. And we always do these at 5-star stunning locations because we want you to be able to immerse yourself in a true state of just awe and bliss, so you can truly realize just how amazing life can be if you just make the decision to, go all in and get good at something that I believe is worth getting good at, which is technical analysis. And now I want to talk about personal development mindset. See, most people think that if you just know the how, then you'll simply be able to get the returns. Now, knowing how to do something doesn't always necessarily mean you're going to be able to do it. I can read a book on being a brain surgeon, doesn't mean I can instantly go into theater and simply put things together and make stuff work. See, personal development mindset, I always say, getting good or being better with yourself, it's an inside job. And many people think that trading only takes an understanding of technical analysis to be profitable, which is in fact completely wrong, because trading is 80% psychological. This is why we have such a huge focus on trading psychology and mindset, and why we want to teach you the tools to master your own mind so you can then go out and win at the highest level. And all of us as coaches, between us, we have years of experience, and I can tell you right now, we've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on personal development to be able to now share and teach all of our learnings combined to give you the best set of skills so you can go out there and truly dominate. So you're probably sitting here now, and we've been talking for a little while, and you're like, Michael, it all sounds great, but look, what's the deal? Does it actually really work? Now, you can go onto our Facebook page and you will see we have hundreds of 5-star reviews. You can go into Crypto Calls Australia, where we have over 33,000 members, and you can see people have been following us for a really long time. But if you have a look at some of the ones that I've highlighted here and just see what people have got to say, you'll realize that so many people out there just like you probably had some limiting beliefs or some doubts, but they decided to step up and take some action. And let's have a look at what Daniel said. So, learning how to trade but wasn't quite sure where to start. This is the place. The way the course is broken down does make it so simple for anybody to understand and follow, no matter your age, skill level. Definite 10 out of 10 rating. Then you've got David, who says, since joining the course, I've gone from getting lucky on trades to being profitable 21 out of 26. He can't recommend us enough. Nick says, lose, I move on, I try again. Back trade, losing trades. Since I have done this, I've consistently been around 20 to 30% ROI monthly, and this is consistent with what I need to make to become a multi-millionaire in December 2021. And then make consistent monthly returns to support the lack of excess and abundance of cash. I like Nick. What he wants to do sounds pretty damn cool. Then we have Wade. Wade said, the skill set and mindset I have learnt since completing the course will serve me well for the rest of my trading career. I highly recommend the course for anyone who wants to learn TA and actually make money. Craig, mindset and psychology is discussed for all students to get the most out of not only trading, but also their lives. I cannot speak highly enough of this course. Here you can see I literally made 21,000 on BTC in the last 24 hours. That's huge for me. This was a personal message to me, and I say that's amazing. Show me a screenshot. Congrats. She said, thank you. I've got a small amount in from 7,500 on 50x on BitMEX. If you don't understand what that is, that's leverage, and we'll teach you all about it. And, we then go on to talk about, how that amount of money is going to significantly change her life. We have hundreds of these guys. Alex, implementing into trading, which I started trading since the end of the course. I've increased my holdings by over 160% within a short time, and this is in a bear market. It's a great achievement. None of this would have been possible without Mick and Jason's course. If I had of followed the sheep like others on, he probably would have got slaughtered. So, how much does it cost to be a part of MBA and learn the skills and get access to everything that I just shared so you can start having your own success story like the ones in the comments we just spoke about? Well, cool thing is, to become a customer, guys, it's only $150 a month, and that includes our full course that you get unlimited access to as long as you're an active member. It gives you live trade sessions every single week. These are 2 to 3 live calls where we find opportunities for you to potentially profit from week in, week out. You also get access to our private Discord group or School of Sparta, so you can become part of our ever-growing community and start making some new friends and hanging out with people who are trying to do what it is that you're trying to do, and work alongside the coaches, executive team, and lead trainers to become the best trader you can possibly be. You also then get mindset coaching to help with trading, but more importantly, help you start taking some of the things that we need to be good at, not only at trading, but then utilizing those same skills to maximize the most out of our lives. So if you're sitting there and you're thinking, that sounds great, Mick, I'm in, that's awesome. But why did my friend show me this? Why did my friend want to get me involved? Well, I'm sure after seeing what you've just seen, you can probably see why your friend was so excited. Because for the first time in a long time, maybe now they see an opportunity where they can start having some of the things that they want. Now, at MBA, we realized that if we want to help more people, we need more people out there helping us expose MBA to the wider community. Now, we were never going to ask anyone to do this for free. So let's say you're looking at this now, you say, Mick, this is awesome, it's great, I'm all in, but I don't want to spend $150 a month moving forward. Cool, I get it, I understand. So what your friend chose to do was share it with you, because as a customer, we don't want to charge you every month. We want to grow our network, we want to continue to be able to share and have more customers and teach more people how to trade. So what we're going to allow you to do is if you just go out there and go through the course and go through the content, become part of the community, you see value in what it is that we do, and you say, you know what? I want to help some more people get good at this as well. If you refer and enroll just 3 people, as long as those 3 people are engaged and active, you no longer have any monthly fees. The cool thing is those 3 people get the same opportunity, and we have hundreds of people who also have never enrolled anyone, who see the massive amount of value that they get by simply being a member, and are more than happy to pay every month to get consistent access to what it is that we provide here at MBA. So I'm now going to share with you what it means to become an IBO with MBA and how the income potential is truly limitless. All it comes down to hard work, determination, and how hard you're truly willing to go and how badly you want to succeed. So, to become an independent business owner, what does that mean? It means there's another $199 up front. You get access to everything that we shared earlier. However, you also get the ability to earn commissions and product sales and build a business. So what does that look like? J. Paul Getty said it best, I'd rather have 1% of the effort of 100 men than 100% of the effort of my own. When we looked at how we could expand and grow MBA, me and Jason have been doing this for 3 years now. We said, you know what? If we could just bring in more people and we could all leverage our efforts and we could give everyone access to all the resources and we could give them the ability to go out there and help us share this with more people faster, then not only would we have, 100% of many men's effort, we would have the opportunity to impact more people. But more importantly, we would then have a system and a platform to be able to change more lives. So our biggest focus is to ensure that our IBOs all have the right tools and resources to succeed in their business venture. We acknowledge that the amount of time and commitment that goes into growing a business and rewards those efforts, and we pay up to 80% of the total business volume. BV that each affiliate generates through our rewards program. So let's talk about fast start bonuses. Affiliate bonuses up to 80% of business volume depending on rank. To qualify, you must have a personal active subscription with 75 BV. If someone that you refer in as the gold package, you will earn 75 BV up front. And as a platinum, you will get 100. We pay out our commissions on the 1st and the 15th of each month and the 30th. So we pay twice, and we're looking at moving this to every single week. The cool thing is, once you understand the levels, you'll realize that we pay extremely deep, and we want to pay you for not only your efforts, but the efforts of the other people that you introduce. We truly believe that leveraged income, but more importantly, income that you can earn time and time again residually for work that you did one time, is true freedom. A lot like how an artist releases a song and gets paid royalties for the rest of their lives, we wanted to do the same kind of thing here. So how does that work? As an IBO, you enroll 4 platinum packages. Cool thing is you enroll 4 people, you get $200 up front, and now you earn $150 residual income every single month, as long as those 4 members stay active. If you say, hey, you know what, Mick, that's pretty cool. I just made all my money back. That's not bad. For what it cost me to get started, I referred to 4 friends. They got started too. And you know what? Life is pretty good. But there's some of you guys who go, well, if I did that once, maybe I can help those guys do the same. Hey, maybe I can go out and do that another 10 times myself. So for every person that you enroll, you can earn up to $50 USD for each member that you bring in, depending on the level that they come in. When you personally enroll one, you can get up to $50. When someone that you brought in refers someone, you can get up to $10. And when someone refers someone from someone that you brought in that they brought in, you'll get $5 and we'll go up to 10 levels deep. So you can see now how this has the ability to get extremely lucrative very, very fast by simply sharing a platform and a program that we've proven gets massive results over the last 3 years. So guys, I know that was a lot of information, and some of you might be sitting there going, well, it all sounds great, but there's some stuff there I need to consider. And I understand. I've seen a lot of things. I've been around a while, and the friend who showed you this isn't really here to convince you. I always say if I have to convince you it's a good idea to do personal development, get around some like-minded people and potentially make some money, I'm probably talking to the wrong person. The person who showed you this wants to simply know one thing. Are you interested? And do you want to get started? So thank you so much for your time. My name is Michael Sloggett. It's been an absolute honor and privilege to share the last little bit with you. And I truly hope I get the opportunity to work with you in the future. And if all you got out of tonight or today, wherever you are in the world, was that you now understand that there is this beautiful thing called cryptocurrency out there in the world, then our job is done. Thank you for your time, and God bless.